Hello folks, my name is Victor Monterosa from VM Sewer and Drain Services. Today we're going to be replacing about 20 feet of sewer line by Trenchless method. We got our pipes exposed, 2 holes, it's a straight shot, there's the cone. We got our cable, our hydraulic ram from Trick, the plate. This hole's ready to go. Here's our beautiful machine. We got our SDR 17 pipe, thick wall. This is the only pipe we can use to pull trenchless. Excellent pipe, guaranteed, no roots, nope, will penetrate. Very good pipe. Here's our hydraulic ram, a machine that pulls the pipe through. Excellent, from Trick Industries. It's pretty straightforward. We could replace most lines in a day depending on the scope of work, but if interested, give us a call, contact us. VM Sewer Drain SVS.com.